Hi, Jake. What time is it?
It's 10:30 a.m.
Oh, you used AM. What does AM mean?
AM stands for ante-meridiem, which means before midday. We use AM for the hours from midnight, 12 a.m., to 11:59 a.m.
So what about PM?
PM stands for post-meridiem, meaning after midday. We use PM for the hours from 12:00 p.m. noon to 11:59 p.m.
That's simple. So if it's 3:00 in the afternoon, I say 3 p.m.
Exactly. And if it's 8 o'clock in the morning, you say 8:00 a.m.
Got it. But what if I want to say time in a casual way?
Good question. Instead of saying 10:30 a.m., you can say 10:30.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What about 10:15?
You can say 10:15. And if it's 10:45, you can say 10:45.
I see. We use past for minutes after the hour and to for minutes before the next hour.
That's right. You're learning fast.
So, what are the different parts of the day?
We divide the day into different parts. Morning from 12 a.m. to 11:59 a.m. Afternoon from 12 p.m. to 5:59 p.m. Evening from 6 p.m. to 8:59 p.m. Night from 9 p.m. to 11:59 p.m.
And what about midnight and noon?
Midnight is 12 a.m., the start of a new day. Noon is 12 p.m., the middle of the day.
Oh. So if I go to bed at 11 p.m., I say, I go to bed at night.
Exactly. And if you wake up at 6 a.m., you say, I wake up in the morning.
That's useful. How do we talk about days and weeks in English?
We use words like today, the present day, yesterday, the day before today, tomorrow, the day after today, the day after tomorrow, 2 days from today, the day before yesterday, 2 days ago.
And for weeks?
We say this week, the current week, last week, the previous week, next week, the upcoming week.
And months?
Similarly, we say this month, the current month, last month, the previous month, next month, the upcoming month.
That makes sense. And for years, do we say this year, last year, and next year?
Yes, you got it.
What if I want to talk about how long something lasts?
We use words like seconds, shortest unit of time. Minutes, 60 seconds equals 1 minute. Hours, 60 minutes equals 1 hour. Days, 24 hours equals 1 day. Weeks, 7 days equals 1 week. Months, usually 30 or 31 days. Years, 12 months equals 1 year.
So, if I study for 30 minutes, I say, I study for half an hour.
Yes. And if you work for 8 hours, you say, I work for a full day.
Can we learn some useful phrases about time?
Sure. Here are some common ones. On time, the train arrived on time. In time, we arrived in time for the movie. Out of time, I'm out of time. I need to go now. Take your time, no rush, take your time. Time flies when you're having fun.
These are very helpful.
Yes, these expressions make you sound more natural in English.
Wow. I learned so much about talking about time today.
You did great. Now you can confidently talk about time in English.
Thank you. And for our viewers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Basics.
See you next time.